So it's Tuesday around noon, January 31st. So this is the first round of 3, I think, ice storms. So you can see that's super thick, super solid on the track. I said you could measure it, but I don't think that that's where you're supposed to measure it from. But the ground's dry, mostly. Roofs are covered with ice. So the garage, we brought this out so we wouldn't have to get it on Friday. The tree over here has got a lot of ice on it. So you can imagine what 2 more ice storms will do. And this wasn't even the bad one, they said. I'll keep y'all updated.